On average, only 12% of patient illnesses are correctly diagnosed by primary care providers.
Which means that 9 out of 10 are given the wrong diagnosis?
Yes.
Oh, man.
Medical errors are actually the third leading cause of death in America. 1 in 3 misdiagnoses lead to serious injury or death, and these screw-ups cost the economy billions of dollars.
The blocked nose is basically, as I said, is because of the swelling. So the treatment for that is either, there are 2 types of nasal sprays which you use. One is just to bring down the swelling, which should not be used for more than 5 days. Most of the chemists don't know about it, prescribe it, the patient keeps taking it every day, and then they end up in the hospital because of this swelling. It's called rebound phenomenon. So if you use it more than 5 days, instead of opening the passage, it closes it. So you must remember if that happens. So the best thing is to give some inhaled, even Flixonase nowadays you can get it in the boots. It's called Pyronase. It's the mild form. You must use it every day for 6 weeks. People think, oh, I put the thing in 2-3 days later they stop. It's not like that. It works for only 24 hours, 12 to 24 hours. So if I want to keep the door open all the time, I should keep on putting the latch to keep it open, like that. You have to take the nasal spray every day twice or once after cleaning the nose, not putting it in and blowing the nose out. These are very important things because most of the people who come to see me after they have failed or treated by so many people, oh, I'm not getting better at all, Dr. Ajit. I don't know why it is not going away. Then I listen to the story, as I said. Everybody comes with the story as they have lived and experienced. And the whole story comes up. Oh, I used it for about 3 days. It didn't work, doctor, so I stopped. Why it didn't work? Because you didn't take it right. So majority of the treatment, please ask the story. So excessive sneezing, I've already covered it up, saying it's an allergy response.